So just remember, when exporting files individually, all you need to do is go download and pick the page that you want to export and go done. This way you can actually download your individual pages as you need. If you need to download a file that is just both of these but separately, you can go share, download, and go all pages. This won't download them like together in one file. It will download them together but as separate canvas sizes. If you've got a canvas that encompasses, say for example, 2 artworks, then that will export in one go. Hopefully that kind of makes sense. But all you need to remember is, say for example you're going to do a PDF. This will export both pages as separate PDF canvases. So I'll just download this again as well. So if I download this as a PDF, it will download these as separate pages, as opposed to just one page. So if you need one page or one image, always pick download and hit 1. If you need both pages in that one file or that one download, hit both. This doesn't mean it's going to be combined, it'll just mean they'll be downloaded together at once. Yeah, that's the only thing I could say. If you're exporting this as a MP4 or a video, depending on how long each one of these slides go for example, this is 0.5 seconds. Just as an example, let's go download and go MP4. You can select which slides export in that video also. So having this selected, it will only export as a 0.5 second video, which is kind of crappy, but if you really need to control what you're downloading, this is the best way to do it. Okay. Same thing with a GIF as well. So always remember, just pick what you want to export, and that's how you do it. Yeah, hopefully that makes sense. If you've got questions, leave a comment and I can endeavor to answer them all. Okay, thanks.